Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Teams. We'll explore their core functionalities, highlighting what each tool does best. This comparison will help you understand which platform aligns better with your specific workflow needs, whether for individual productivity or team collaboration. We'll delve into their unique strengths and ideal use cases to guide your decision-making process effectively. Notion shines as a highly flexible workspace, perfect for detailed project management, knowledge bases, and personal organization. Its customizable databases allow you to structure information precisely, creating interconnected pages for comprehensive documentation. Individuals can enjoy unlimited blocks on the free plan, making it an excellent choice for extensive content creation and tracking tasks with unparalleled adaptability. Microsoft Teams is primarily a robust communication and collaboration hub designed for real-time interaction. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 applications, fostering efficient teamwork. Teams facilitates organized discussions through dedicated channels and offers powerful video conferencing capabilities, supporting up to 1,000 participants for large-scale meetings and presentations, ensuring smooth virtual communication. Ultimately, the better tool depends on your primary needs. Choose Notion for in-depth project tracking, extensive documentation, and highly customized workflows. Opt for Teams if your priority is instant communication, seamless integration with Microsoft 365, and robust meeting solutions. Many organizations find significant value in leveraging both platforms, using Notion for content and Teams for communication, creating a powerful combined ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.